In this video, I'm going to show you how to check screen time passcode on your iPhone. Now, before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So basically, what you need to do is you need to go to settings, and from there you want to go to screen time right over here. You want to tap on that and scroll down until you see change screen time password. Now you want to tap on that and you want to click on change screen time passcode. Now if you don't know your passcode, just tap on forgot passcode and enter your Apple ID to reset the screen time password. Now enter your email or your phone number and then continue, and from there you would just want to follow the on-screen instructions. If you don't know your Apple ID password, you can always click on forgot password. That is going to take you to this page where you can recover your password. And if you still don't know it, one way is that you go to your name, scroll down, and if you're able to sign out, and then sign back in, and then just use your iCloud keychain or wherever you have your password saved so that you can get this password. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.